Okay, so the next step in your photo essay presentation development will be to actually add your pictures to your PowerPoint presentation. So you can see I have my presentation up right now. If I were to go and to click on my text down here, you can see that I have decided to take the box and shrink it down so that this whole top part is left blank. This way when I enter my pictures in, I won't be accidentally covering my text box or later any of my text. So to actually add the pictures in, you're going to go up to the top to where it says Picture, and then click Insert Picture, and you'll find and select your server. There is a folder with all of your pictures already in it in your server, and then what you'll do is you'll go over to find your actual pictures. Now I've numbered mine 1 through 6 in the order that they need to be in. If they're not in the correct order, when you click on them, you should be able to get a preview of what the picture actually is, so you know the order that you need to put them in. So once you select the picture that you want, you click Insert, and it will show up right on the page. Some of them may be larger than the screen itself or than the space on the screen that you have, so you can do the same thing like you did with the text boxes. If you click the corners, you'll be able to resize them, and many times you'll get a guideline up on the PowerPoint slide, which will tell you what the center of your slide is and also center it for you horizontally as well. So you'll keep going through, again go back up to Picture, select the second one you need. If you need to resize it, click on it and just go to that corner arrow till you see the 2 arrows going through, and then resize it to the space that you need. You can see the bottom blue line there is showing me a guideline for where I need to be. Click on the next slide, go back up to Picture, Insert Picture. This picture I have coming up is vertical, so I could resize it, and then if I wanted to, instead of having the picture above the text, I could put them side by side. So if I put the picture right now, you'll see it's over the text box, but if I click again on the text box here, I can easily go over and slide the horizontal guide over to the right and then bring the vertical guide up to the top, so that on this slide I can have my picture directly next to my words as opposed to on top of it. So you'll continue to go down and insert your pictures one by one. Again, I may do the same thing with this slide, where I'll slide them down until you have each of your photos and your slides organized in the way that you would like them. Make sure that you're saving as you go along the way, so you could either go up to File and then Save, or on the keyboard you could just hit the Command S button if you've already saved it. Make sure it goes to the correct file. Now if you wanted to preview what your slideshow actually will look like, you can't see it in my screen, but at the top of your screen you'll see within the toolbar across from File it will say Slideshow. So if you click on the drop down in Slideshow and then you hit View Slideshow, you'll be able to see the presentation from the start, and using the arrow keys on your keyboard you can toggle over so that you can see each individual slide and the way it will look in the presentation. Now I haven't added photos 5 and 6 yet, so that's why it looks like it's just blank on the top. And then once you get to the end you'll be able to click out of it. So go ahead right now, add your pictures into your photo essay, make sure that you have all of the pictures you need, and then the next tutorial we'll talk about how to edit and manipulate your text a little bit more, how to change the backgrounds, and how to do some other features within PowerPoint. But for now, just start by making sure that all of your pictures are in your PowerPoint presentation and that you have everything saved with the most up-to-date order.